Hey, Adam from Buzzy here. I just thought I'd share some of the new features that we've just released in the last week or so, and actually some new stuff today. This is a sample application. It's just was given a pretty simple prompt, which asked for a mountain bike trail application. So you can come in and you can have a look at different trails. It's got some reviews in there. It's pretty simple. What I did in this chat was I could do things now like make design changes. So you could change the list of trails to a list view. I actually went and changed the back of it here. I said go change it back. So you can make those type of simple design changes, which will go and change the look and feel of this. We do have some theming stuff that's coming very, very soon, hopefully this week. So watch this space. One of the other major things that we've seen as well is that people are chatting with it and they're trying to do stuff, and those type of customizations require either going into Figma or going into doing some sort of other integration with it. So we've spent a bunch of time making the AI more intelligent, and it will do things like now, for example, like I asked it, I said I want to be able to get like an API, hit an API and get a list of trails. And it will then say, hey, why don't you go look at the database rules, so stuff in the Buzzy documentation. It also try and recommend if there's either YouTube videos to help you understand that feature or how to extend that feature. It will try and do that. It'll also look at, saying whether you want to go to Figma as an example to do that. If there are specific Figma templates, it will recommend them as well, and so on. So again, just trying to improve how far we can get you very quickly with the AI to be able to make that as easy as possible. So again, watch the space. Just a very, very quick update. Thanks for watching.